Alright, is this on? Alright. Hey guys, welcome back. Yeah, and I'm going down sawmill with my mammal. Say hi, mammal.
Hi, Josh.
Look for the camera. And you know what's in the distance? You don't see anything special?
That my pretty picture?
No, you were filming.
Oh.
You see that in the distance? My belly? Yeah, there's something special I can see. Yeah. Massive. It's special. You guys gotta see it. And also, there was a rabbit last time here. I know I didn't film a video, but guys, this is a sawmill in Fleming Fork. So I'll get to. Alright, you see it? Right in here. Just wait a second, Mama. See that? Yup. And you know what that is? Oh, there's a yellow jacket! Woo! I just spotted a yellow jacket. A yellow jacket. I'll get you guys. Yeah. Oh, it's coming. Yeah, guys. It's kind of cool. Dump truck. Oh. Yep. We're about close to that thing. Let it go. And I'll try to add just the same. Hear the birdies? Yeah, there's little birds. I remember. Until it got killed by a mean cat pickle. That's a Mac. And there's a dog out there. What's the dog doing? What's the dog doing? You know what we're coming up on? Yeah, that's right. A cab over. Yeah, that's a cab over. This right here is a cab over. It's for special. Yeah. Walk like this, mammal. Because you'll cripple your legs. It's because you'll cripple your legs, right? This is blue. Private use only. Oh, that's a dump. That's loading garbage. This is a cab over. Whoever bought this is famous. Because they were stopped being sold back in the 19th century, aka the 20th century. Which is kind of kicked up. Yeah, I'll give you this as a cab over. Yep. Metal. Spicy. This is like some Transformer stuff. I mean, that's the cab over. Yeah. I'm about to take a picture of it, mammal. I'm gonna have to take a picture. I'm about to take a picture of it, mammal. Alright. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Bye. Alright, guys. Yeah, this cab over is gigantic. I love this. I know I like Godzilla and like Transformers now. I mean, this is some Transformer stuff. Look at this. Gosh. Actually, just can't watch it. I guess. But this is rusted. I mean, that's the interior behind it. Apparently, I can see a fan. God, this is deteriorated. I mean, that's the steam engine. I think has to be. I'm gonna have to buy this. I think we're gonna have to go here sometime and talk to the person that owns this, and we're gonna buy it with my